Are you sitting on a skill that is not making you any money? In this video, I'm going to show you how to start turning what you already know into cash in just 7 days. No testimonials needed, no audience, no tech overwhelm. So most skilled workers are overworked or underpaid, not because they lack value, but because they don't know how to package their value and sell it. I've been there, knowing so much, but feeling stuck, watching others make money online. Day one, discover your profitable skill. What do people always ask you for help with? So your action will be write down 3 skills you are naturally good at and ask some people around you which of these 3 skills they will come to you for help. In this video, I explain vividly how you can find your profitable niche in just 10 minutes. You can check it out. So day 2, define your ideal audience. Who actually needs this skill? You have to have that clarity. You are not selling to everybody, because if you try to sell to everybody, you'll be selling to nobody. Okay, so you have to define who your audience is. For example, if you're very good in Canva designs, your audience would be small business owners, online coaches, content creators who don't have the time to design. So you have to be specific. You have to be able to map out your audience. Your action for day 2 is to describe your audience like it's a real person, like an avatar. Okay, a busy online coach who struggles with consistent branding. Day 3 is package your offer. It's time to turn that skill into something people can buy. For example, you can turn that your Canva skill into a one-on-one branding bootcamp, or a mini course, or a done-for-you package of 10 social media templates. So your action for day 3 is to choose one offer format. Either you are doing one-on-one surveys, or it's a mini course, it's a template, it's a guide. Then you write down a simple line pitch. Your pitch should look like this. I help dash, that's your audience, do dash, the result they're going to get, through dash, your method. Just a simple, clear, understandable line pitch. Okay. Day 4, pick a platform to sell on. You don't need a fancy website to start. You just need one place to connect. You can use WhatsApp or Instagram DMs to book your clients, or you use Canva plus Gumroad to sell your products. So your action for day 4 is to choose one primary platform to start. It could be WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. Choose a primary platform. Day 5, create simple, valuable content. Start showing up online by teaching tiny tips. For example, how to design a flyer in 3 steps using free Canva. You start dishing out value so your audience starts coming towards you. Action for day 5 will be create 1 or 2 pieces of content using your phone, a post, a short video, a carousel. Teach something simple but very useful. Day 6, offer your first product or service. Now it is time to sell with confidence. For example, I'm launching a 1-week Canva design sprint for coaches who want branded templates, only 3 spots. So the action for day 6 will be post your offer, send it to friends, post it in groups. Don't wait for perfection. Day 7 would be get feedback. There's no shame in starting small. The goal is progress, not perfection. You could ask, what did you love most in this product or service? Or what would make this better? Would you recommend this to a friend? So action for day 7 is collect feedback. Use it to tweak your offer or improve your delivery, because this is how you grow. My bonus tip for you is you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Progress builds confidence, and confidence brings clients. If you have questions, please go to the comment section and drop them. And remember to like, subscribe, and share so that someone will get value too.